Escape to the heart of mid-Devon to unwind at Bluebell Cottage, a cozy woodland hideaway designed for total relaxation. Tucked away on the grounds of Lurley Manor, this charming one-bedroom retreat is the perfect place to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with nature. Wake up to birdsong, enjoy peaceful walks through the countryside, and return to a warm, beautifully decorated space filled with rustic touches and modern comfort. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion, exploring Devon's rolling hills, or simply craving some quiet time, Bluebell Cottage is your home away from home. Pet-friendly, serene, and full of character, your perfect rural getaway begins here.